This is a chicken, Gallus gallus domesticus. In detail, we can observe the head, and we can observe the crest or comb located in the head, the presence of the wattles, part of chickens involved in health regulation system, and the ears in detail, that are small holes in either side of the chicken's head. We can see also the nails, the beak, and the presence of the tongue. We can see in detail the tongue. Now we can see the distribution of the feathers, and in particular we can see the flight feathers or pennaceous feathers, in this case remiges, located on the posterior side of the wing. The remiges important in flight. Here we can observe a typical down feather or plumulaceous feather characterized by the lacking of a distinctive rachis and non-interlocking barbs that extend out from the calamus. Here we can observe the feet and the legs of the chicken with the presence of the epidermal scales. Also, we can observe the spur or a sharp horn-like protrusion that can grow on the legs of a chicken and used for self-defense. Now, we proceed with the dissection of the chicken. We can see a large amount of adipose tissue, and this is the carina. Now we proceed with the observation of the air sacs. We can see the air sac and in particular the abdominal sacs, paired abdominal sacs, that are defined posterior air sacs. The carina and the presence of a large, very large amount of adipose tissue, and on the other side the abdominal air sacs. Now we can observe the heart and in particular the pericardium that covers the heart. We cut the pericardium to observe in detail the heart. We can see the presence of the heart and in particular removing the pericardium. We can see the apex, the trachea, and the blood vessels present. We can observe the blood vessels and in particular the presence of the aorta that arrives in the heart. Now we can see the liver. The liver with a large amount of adipose tissue. This is the liver. Now we can see the intestines, small and large intestines. We can see the kidneys, the presence of the lungs in the chicken, and the deferens, important in transporting sperm. In detail, we can observe the digestive tract of chicken and in particular the liver with the adipose tissue. This is the liver, the lobes of the liver. We can observe the proventricles, and now we can observe the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder near the liver. This is the gallbladder. Now we will observe also the small intestines and in particular the duodenum portion. Here we can observe the large intestine and the rectum, the end of the intestine. This is a detail of the duodenum of a portion of the small intestine.